Good morning everyone. Class 12 subject accountancy. Okay, chapter number 8. Today we will start example number 18. Okay, example 18. So page number 8.28. X, Y and Z, who were sharing profits in ratio 3:2:1, decided to dissolve the firm on 31st March 2020 when their balance sheet was as follows. Okay, creditor capital account XYZ, cash, debtors, stock, loose tools, car, machinery, building. Following transaction took place at the time of dissolution. Assets realized: tools 5,000, machinery 82,000, building 84,000, car 25,000, goodwill 60,000, debtors 59,000. Okay, creditors accepted stock in settlement of their dues. There was an unrecorded assets valued which rupees 3,000, which was taken by X for rupees 2,000. Okay, there was an old furniture which had been written off from books. Y agreed to take it at rupees 8,000. Firm had to pay 8,000 rupees for outstanding salary which were had not provided earlier. So prepare realization account, capital account and cash account. Okay, so first preparing realization account. Example 18, realization account. Okay, first, so passing the following entries in realization account: particular amount, particular amount. Okay, so following assets transfer in realization account. So sundry assets transfer: debtor, stock, tools to sundry assets, debtor, stock, tools. Debtors amount rupees 62, stock 37, debtors 62, stock 37,000 and tools 8,000 rupees. And remaining assets: car 12,000, machinery 60,000, car 12,000, machinery 60,000, and last assets is building 1 lakh rupees. Building 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so total amount is 2,79,000. Total amount is 2,79,000. Clear? And to bank account, outstanding salary paid 8,000 rupees. So to bank account, outstanding salary paid 8,000 rupees. Okay, clear? First of all, transfer sundry assets and after that payment outstanding salary 8,000 rupees. Clear? And next side, creditors 34,000. This figure in balance sheet. So by creditor rupees 34,000. Okay, creditor amount rupees 34. Next, by cash यानी assets realize, by cash ब्रैकेट में assets realize in following manner: machinery 82, car 25, machinery 82,000, car 25,000. Okay. Debtor 59, tools 5,000, debtor 59,000, tools 5,000. Clear? Next, building 84, goodwill 60,000, building 84,000, goodwill 62,000. Okay, so assets realize: machinery 82,000, car 25,000, debtor 59,000, tools 5,000, building 84,000, goodwill 62,000. Total is 3,15,000. 3,15,000. Clear? Yes or no? And last, old furniture. So take over by Y. So by Y's capital account, old furniture 8,000 rupees. By Y's capital, old furniture 8,000 rupees. Clear? And next, X capital, unrecorded assets taken by X 2,000 rupees. So by X capital account, unrecorded assets, by X capital account, unrecorded assets rupees 2,000. Okay, 2,000. Clear? So credit side total is 3,59,000. Credit side totaling is 3,59,000. So to profit on realization account, transfer between X, Y and Z. So to profit on realization account, X capital, Y capital and Z capital account. Clear? So profit is, total profit 70, 2,000 distributed 3 to 1. Total profit is 72,000. Distribute in 3:2:1. So 36,000, 24,000 and 12,000 rupees. Total of debit side is 3,59,000. Okay. So first of all, we are preparing realization account. Clear? Yes or no? So first, transfer sundry assets, payment outstanding salary, and transfer creditors, and after that assets realized in following manner. Okay, clear? After that, preparing partner capital account. After that, preparing partner capital account. So write on partner capital account. Partner capital account. Three partners X, Y, and Z. Particular X, Y, and Z. Particular X, Y, and Z. Okay. So balance brought down 120, 90 or 60,000 by balance brought down by balance BD 1,20,000, 90,000 and Z balance is 60,000. 60,000. Okay. So transfer profit in partner capital account from realization. So realization account gain या profit 36,000, 24,000 and 12,000 rupees. Okay, clear? And to realization account, to realization account X taken over assets and Y 8,000 rupees. Clear? And final payment to cash, final payment is to cash. So first of all, closing the accounts, calculate a balance separately X, Y and Z. Okay. So credit side total X column, Y column and Z column. X column 156, 1,56,000. Okay, 1,14,000 and 72,000. Okay, so calculate a final cash. So 156 minus 2,000, 156 minus 2,000, so 1,54,000. Okay, 14,000 minus 8,000, so 1,06,000. 1,14,000 minus 8,000, so 1,06,000. Total 114. Okay, the last one is 72,000. Clear? So complete partner capital account. Okay, after that we are prepare cash account. Cash account. So balance brought down again to balance BD in question given 25,000 to balance BD given 25,000 to cash assets realized 3,15,000, 3,15,000. Okay, and next is revaluation account. So by realization account rupees 8,000 and final payment in this question by X capital account and by Y capital account and Z capital account. Calculate in following manner by with the help of partner capital account. So recently prepare a partner capital account on screen. Okay. So this balance transfer in capital cash account. So X capital account 1,54,000. Second, by Y capital account 1,06,000, and third partner is Z. So by Z capital account rupees 72,000. Okay. So preparing a cash account, clear. So calculate both side total. Both side total is debit side total 3,40,000 and credit side total is again 3,40,000. Clear? 3,40,000 and 3,40,000. So example 18, preparing realization account, partner capital account and cash account. Clear?